Greetings everyone. In this video we'll be looking at NCEA level 1 mathematics common assessment task algebra. So in this video I'll be focusing on solving quadratic equations by factorizing and using a null factor law. We'll have a look at the second example. So in this question it says solve 2x squared minus 9x plus 9 is equal to 0. We're given a quadratic function, so what we will need to do first is factorize. So 2 times 9 is 18. So what I have to do is list all the factors of 18 and see which one adds to the middle term of negative 9. So in this case I've got 3 and 6. This pair looks promising because if I go negative 3 and negative 6, if I multiply the two, I will get positive 18, and negative 3 and negative 6 will add to negative 9. So these are the factors. So what I will do is I'll write those temporary factors in with the two brackets, as you can see, minus 3 and minus 6, and then you put the leading coefficient, which is 2 in this case, underneath both the numbers. So I will divide this by 2. I will do the same thing with 6. Remember, this is a quick way of getting to the answer. You don't need to factorize this by grouping because we're solving, so we can quickly get to the solution here. And what you then need to do is simplify the fractions if possible. So this is already in simplest form, but I can simplify 6 divided by 2. So 2 goes into 6 3 times, and that gives us x minus 3 over 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So now I will use the null factor law. So this means either x minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0, and then we can quickly solve for x. So I'll take minus 3 over 2 on the other side, so minus will become plus. So that gives you positive 3 over 2, and minus 3 here goes on the other side, we'll read positive 3. So your final answer is x is equal to 3 over 2 or x is equal to 3. Pretty straightforward, as you can see. Now I haven't fully factorized this. I could have fully factorized this before solving, but the question says solve, so I've just skipped that part there. You would have still got the same answer if you have fully factorized it and then solved. For example, here if I want to fully factorize, what I will then need to do is move the denominator denominators in front of the variable. So I will take this 2 and put it over there, which will give you 2x minus 3 into x minus 3. So this is now correct factorization, which I skipped in the previous method, but you can still do this and get the same result. So applying null factor law, you'll get say 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then solving for x from here, 2x is equal to 3. If I divide this by 2, I'll get 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 and 3, same result as before. I hope this makes sense. I would suggest if you can pause the video and try these yourself and see if your answer matches with these. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.